63.729. Mounting, visibility, and color of reflectors, incorporation with tail lamps. 1. Mounting of reflectors. No reflector required by this provision of this chapter shall be mounted upon the motor vehicle at a height to exceed 60 inches nor less than 24 inches above the ground on which the motor vehicle stands. 2. Visibility of reflectors. Every reflector shall be of such size and characteristics as to be readily visible at night from all distances within from 500 feet to 50 feet from the motor vehicle when directly in front of a normal headlight beam. 3. Rear reflectors incorporated with tail lamp. One or both of the required rear red reflectors may be incorporated within the tail lamp or tail lamps. Any such tail lamps shall be located within the height limits specified for reflectors. Whether or not the rear reflector are incorporated within tail lamps, they shall be located on the rear of the motor vehicle at opposite sides and shall also meet the requirements as to visibility set forth in this section. 4. Colors of reflectors. All reflectors mounted on any bus, truck, tractor, semi-trailer, full trailer, pole trailer shall reflect an amber color except those placed on the rear and on the sides nearest to the rear thereof, which shall reflect a red color. Any reflectors on a vehicle other than those expressly required or permitted by this provision of this chapter shall, if visible from the front, reflect a white or amber light. If visible from either side, reflect an amber light, and visible from the rear, reflect a red light. Also, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's keep it going. Also, thank you for watching. Have a great day.